students. Welcome back with lesson number 4. This is Najma Khan here, and I believe that you all are doing great at home, and I'm also doing good. You know what? Before going for any topic, I wanted to share something about today. I woke up early in the morning and went to my garden, and I want to share my experience with you. And I have a beautiful garden at my home, and it was a cloudy day. Um, a cool breeze was blowing, the trees were waving their branches, the birds were flying in the sky, the bees were humming around the flowers. Everything seemed calm and peaceful as I walked along the countryside. Did you get anything? No, I know you didn't get anything. What was missing? Think. Let me tell you. The punctuation was missing. I have not added any punctuation mark in it. Let me explain. Every sentence must begin with a capital letter, and most sentences end with a full stop. The capital letters in the start and the full stop at the end are called the punctuation mark, and the punctuation marks are the marks which makes the text readable. Students, do you remember these signals? They are traffic signals. And what is the green signal is saying? Green says go. So, we are going to start our sentences with a capital letter in green. And what does red says? The red says stop. And we are going to end our sentence with a red full stop. Let's go for the same paragraph again with punctuation marks. Starting with the first sentence, capital I. It was a cloudy day, full stop. A cool breeze was blowing. The trees were waving their branches. The birds were flying in the sky. The bees were humming around the flowers. Everything seemed calm and peaceful as I walked along the countryside. So students, now you see, it is making the sense because we have added the capital letters and the full stops that make them readable, and they are punctuation marks. Students, all the proper nouns, for example, Holy Quran, Pakistan, Lahore, Ali, River Ravi, Monday, and August, they all begin with a capital letter. If we talk about the letter I, the letter I by itself is always a capital letter. We say, my mother and I went for a walk. Let's move on towards this. What this punctuation mark is? Do you know? Yes, very well done. This is a question mark. A question mark, some sentences end with a question mark. Like we say, would you like a cup of coffee? We use the question mark at the end of the sentences which ask questions. For example, may I help you? Where are you going? Would you like to read with me? So students, now I am done with today's lecture. We have to learn about the use of capital letters, full stops, and question marks in the sentences. You guys have to practice it at home. For that, I'm going to give you this next assignment. Here is a given text or a paragraph to you. You are going to read it carefully and then you will be writing it again at home by adding the punctuation marks which we read earlier. And after doing that, don't forget to share on this given email address with me. I'll be waiting for your answers. Thank you so much.